Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to use the Starbucks app for rewards, including how to earn free coffee. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make the most of your Starbucks experience. Step 1. Download the Starbucks app. Begin by downloading the Starbucks app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app to start setting up your account. Step 2. Create a Starbucks account. If you're a new user, tap on Sign Up to create your Starbucks account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. If you already have an account, simply log in. Step 3. Join Starbucks Rewards. After logging in, join the Starbucks Rewards program. Look for the Rewards section in the app and follow the prompts to enroll. Membership is free and opens up a world of benefits, including earning points for every purchase. Step 4. Add payment method. To earn rewards, you need to link a payment method to your account. Go to the Payment section and choose either to add a credit card, debit card, or link your PayPal account. You can also reload your Starbucks card directly through the app. Step 5. Start earning stars. Every time you make a purchase using the app or your registered Starbucks card, you'll earn stars. The more stars you accumulate, the greater your rewards. For every dollar spent, you typically earn 2 stars. Step 6. Redeem your rewards. Once you collect enough stars, you can redeem them for rewards. Navigate to the Rewards section and check how many stars you have and what rewards are available. For example, you can redeem 150 stars for a free drink or food item. Step 7. Keep an eye on promotions. Stay updated on any special promotions within the app. Starbucks frequently offers bonus stars or double points on certain days or specific menu items. Check the Promotions tab regularly to ensure you're not missing any opportunities to earn extra stars. Step 8. Enjoy personalized offers. As a rewards member, you'll also receive personalized offers and recommendations tailored to your preferences. Check the Offers section to see what's available to you. Step 9. Check your stars balance. You can easily track your stars balance within the app. This helps you plan ahead on when to redeem your rewards for a free coffee or any other goodies. Step 10. Stay engaged. Engage with the Starbucks community by reviewing your purchases or adding favorites. The more you interact with the app, the better your rewards experience will be. Now you're all set to enjoy your favorite Starbucks beverages and snacks while earning rewards. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and tricks. Happy sipping!